Hello guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted track on Suno AI. So let's begin. So make sure you have already logged into your account. Click on library, right? Then it will show all of your songs you have generated so far. On the upper right portion here, click on the trash or delete icon. Then it will show all of your deleted history and deleted songs. Like, for example, this particular song, click on that or click on the three dots over here. You can either choose restore to library, which is what we want, or delete permanently. And that's it. That's how you can successfully recover any deleted track or song in Suno AI. So I hope you found this video very helpful.